guys, this is Kyle from TechLingo, and we have with us here the Realme 2, which is actually a new brand in town, and they have kindly sent us one of their review units to have a look at. And we've got the 32 gigabytes model with us here with 3 gigs of RAM. So let's dive right into the box here. So they have actually included a really nice transparent plastic case here, and of course it is flexible. Let's just leave some of the user documentation aside first. And of course the phone itself, so let's just have a look at this. We've got the black version with us here, and of course, wow, a fingerprint scanner at the back and a dual camera arrangement. Okay, let's set this side aside as well and have a look at what else is included. So we have the charging brick, which is a typical USB-A connector to a 2-pin plug. Definitely usable in Singapore. You also got the charging cable, which I presume is micro USB port. Okay, so I guess that's it. There are no headphones included, and we can have a look at the phone itself. So let's take it out of its protective wrap. Okay, very nice. Oh, and first impressions is, wow, check this out. I'm not sure if the camera can actually see this, but it does have a really nice glass backing here. If I peel this off, maybe it'll be better. Check this out. So, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it has this really nice angular designs here at the back. It creates a really cool visual effect. I mean, SIM trays on the left edge of the phone, and as well as the 2 volume buttons up and down. And at the bottom you have the usual speakers, I would say, and the micro USB port for charging and data transfer, as well as a headphone jack. Now on the sides you have the power button. So we've just booted up the phone for the first time, and really nice colorful wallpaper here. It does have some pre-installed apps, which I'm not too sure what these apps are. We'll have a look at them in our full review as well. Now, of course, stay tuned for our full review, which will be coming up soon. We'll be looking through at some of the Realme 2 features, as well as how some of the, maybe some camera shots, as well as battery performance. Now, the Realme 2 is probably going to be available in Singapore shortly. We haven't received any word from Realme regarding any of the pricing, as well as availability wise, so we'll keep you guys updated when we get more information. So thank you for watching our unboxing, and this is Kyle signing off.